Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're filming a very exciting video. We're going to be doing my favorite video to film, which is a haul. I got some stuff from Ulta, Sephora, and also Rude Cosmetics, and so I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. So if you guys want to see this haul, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I got is a cleanser, and I actually got this for gratis from the Murad vendor. Thank you so much if you're watching, girl. So this is their new prebiotic 4-in-1 multi-cleanser, and it says that it removes face, eye, and lip makeup, and it removes dirt and excess oil while replenishing with probiotics, and it also deeply hydrates. And so I'm really interested in trying this out. It's from like their Age Reform line, which I really like. You guys know I love their nutrient charged water gel. This is my favorite moisturizer ever, and this is like from the same line, so I'm really interested in trying it out. Oh my gosh, she actually spelled my name right. I feel like nobody ever really spells my name right because everybody spells Brittany like in different ways. So this is what it looks like right here. It does come with a pump, and it has this like plastic thing on there. But I'm so excited to try this out. So it says that you could use this on a dry or wet face. I think the way I'm going to use it is on like a dry face, and I'm just going to use it to like remove all my makeup and then wash it off and see how much it really gets off. And then whether or not if it gets it all off, I'll go in with a second cleanser. I feel like that's the way I'm going to use it, but I don't know. I'm just going to go ahead and test it out different ways to see what I like the most. But I can't wait to try it. Okay, so the next thing I picked up was just a repurchase. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I really like this stuff. I feel like I went through it super duper quick though. I have my other one right here, and it's completely empty. I just feel like because it's such a fine mist, I use like a lot of product. But with that being said, it really does make your makeup look like melted into the skin, and it just gives you like a nice glow. I'm not sure if it really keeps your makeup on throughout the day because I haven't really like paid attention to that. I know the All-Nighter by Urban Decay does. So usually if I'll like have the 8-hour shift or like a long day ahead of me, I'll use the All-Nighter spray. But if I'm going somewhere just like really quick for like 5 hours or so, I'll use the Morphe one just to kind of like save money because the Urban Decay one is a lot more pricier. And so I definitely had a repurchase. If you guys haven't tried this, it has like a really fine mist. Hopefully I could spray some out of here to show you. Yeah, well, this one doesn't have a fine mist anymore because I used it all, but it just has like a really fine mist, so I love the way it like melts your makeup into the skin, so I picked that up. The next thing I got is from the brand Touch In Sol, which I've actually never tried this brand before. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried something from this brand, but I had seen it for the first time yesterday at work, and so this is called the No PoreBlem Primer, and I felt it on my skin, and it felt really smoothing and nice, and it just felt like it filled in the pores on my hand really well. And so I had to buy it just to see if it would do the same thing on my face because it just felt so nice. But this is like a little duo set, so it comes with that primer, and then it also comes with the No PoreBlem primer stick, I believe. And I wanted just the primer on its own, but in store we only have the duo, and I don't want to order it and everything because if I order stuff on Ulta's website, I have to like return it and rebuy it to get my discount, and I'd rather just buy what we have. And so I just went ahead and got the set, and I feel like if I don't like the stick, it's okay because I still like saved more since I got my discount on it. So this is what it looks like right here. It does come with a pump, and it's in a nice like frosted glass bottle. I really like the packaging. So online they explain this primer as a microfiber primer for the face, and to me that just sounded really interesting, so I can't wait to try it. I need to stop saying I can't wait to try it. I feel like after every product I'm saying, oh, I can't wait to try it, because I really am excited about this stuff. I'll probably do like a full face of first impression using all this stuff on camera. Let me know if you guys would like that. But like I said, it comes with this little stick. It has like a little sponge at the end, and this is just supposed to be basically like the same thing, I guess, like in a travel form, but it does feel really nice too. I just feel like I wouldn't get as much use out of this one. The one in the store didn't feel as smooth as this one, but it was a tester, so I'm pretty sure that's why, just because people don't like close the lid right and everything. But yeah, this is what the packaging of this one looks like. It's super cute. I wonder if that sponge will actually like help. I'm not sure. I don't know. And so yeah, let me know if you guys have tried this primer. I'm definitely interested to see if it will get rid of my pores, anything that will help with pores. I definitely want to try, and it just felt so nice on my hand, like I said. So the next thing I picked up, I actually tried this in like a full face of first impressions video. If you haven't seen that, I will have it in the cards right here. But this is the Kopari Starry eye balm, and I used this in that video and I really liked it. So I went ahead and picked up the full size, and I thought this was an eye primer like for your under eyes, but it just says that it's an eye balm, so I guess I've just been using it as an eye primer. That's the way I like to use it, but I'm pretty sure you could use this at night. Like, it's not like an actual primer, it just says eye balm. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's super duper cute. Kopari always has like really cute packaging. So this is what the product looks like, and as you guys can see, it's literally just a balm. It looks a lot like the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer, except this one's a lot more emollient, and it's literally like an oil for your under eyes, and it just makes your under eyes super duper hydrated and ready for concealer. And so yeah, in that video that I tried this in, I just used a sample because I wanted to make sure I liked it before I bought it, because it is $25. And I did like it, so I went ahead and picked that up. Next up, I picked up some MAC lipsticks. Now, MAC came out with a new collection. It's called the Strip Down Collection, and it's just a full range of nude lipsticks for every skin tone. And I'm so upset though, because they didn't come out with the like actual stripped down lipstick, and you thought they would, because the whole collection is called Strip Down and they didn't do that, which is really weird to me. But I did pick up 2 nudes from the collection because you guys know I love my nude lips. So the first one I picked up was Love You Back, and that's actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. It is a little bit of a lighter nude, which I'm not used to, so I did pair it with like a darker lip liner. But I don't know how I feel about it, guys. So what do you guys think? Do you think it goes good? I just wanted to get like a lighter nude just because I do wear my eyes kind of like this on an everyday basis. Like, I like to wear really dramatic eyes, so I need good nude lips. And so, like I said, this one's called Love You Back. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you can see what it looks like on its own. It totally just shot out of the package. Hopefully I didn't break it. Okay, it's good. And this one has a matte finish. So it just has that like regular MAC matte finish to where it's like still creamy on the lips, but it gives you like a look of a matte lipstick, because these ones still like move around on your lips. And so that is what the color looks like right there. It doesn't look as light on the hand as it does on the lips, but it's super pretty. And the next one I got is called Bad and Bare, and I actually got this one as gratis, so I didn't have to pay for this one. I bought the other one, but this one I didn't pay for, so I didn't get to pick the shade. But I actually tried this on and I really like the color on me, and so it's just like a really light brown shade. And this one I don't think is a matte finish. No, it's a satin finish. And so it has a little bit more sheen to it, which I like just because it's so light. It kind of gives more dimension and life to it once it has like that sheen in there. So that one is the color Bad and Bare. So I'm really excited about these lipsticks just because I love me some nude lipsticks, and I feel like MAC does have one of the better formulas when it comes to just bullet lipsticks. But I'm not sure if I should keep the one I have on. What do you guys think? I don't know. I don't know if I should keep it or not, because I'm just not used to this like lighter lipstick. So the next thing I picked up was another repurchase. This is the Beautyblender Solid Cleanser. I love this stuff. It's the only thing that could get my sponges nice and clean. I feel like if I use anything else, it always kind of leaves some residue in the sponge, which annoys me. Like, I love for my sponge to be nice and clean before I use it because I don't want to get any breakouts. So I always just repurchase this, even though it's $16. I feel like I just bite the bullet because it's the only thing that works. If you guys haven't seen it, it's just a solid cleanser. It does come with one of these little rubber things in there. I don't suggest using this on your beauty blender though, because I've used it on my beauty blender before and it has like ripped it because it's a little bit too harsh. So I just kind of save it for like underneath the soap. So what I'll do is I'll put it under here and I'll just kind of use it as a drying rack. Maybe that's what it was intended for the whole time. That makes sense. But it's literally just a solid soap. And look how small that is, and that is $16, but I still repurchase it because it works. And the next thing I got is kind of like a throwback product. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation. I got the color Dessert Beige, which is 2-in-1. I wasn't sure what color to get. I used to use this like way back in the day, but I used the color Sand and it was way too yellow. I have some old videos of me using it and I'm just like, Why did you pick that color, girl? You are more neutral, so hopefully this will match me better. But this is just one of those holy grail foundations that kind of everybody has in their collection that's like a makeup collector, and I feel like I haven't had it in my collection in a while, so I don't even remember what it looks like on my skin, to be honest. But I really wanted to try it out, especially now that it's becoming more hot in like summertime. I want to get a good foundation that I know is going to like keep my oil at bay, but also still look really full coverage and nice on the skin. And I just remember really loving this, so I can't wait to try it out again. It doesn't come with a pump though, which sucks because it's like $40 and it doesn't even come with the pump. But I do have like an extra one that I have like from MAC, so I'm just gonna use that. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think this color will match me? I just feel like I wanted to go with a neutral just because last time I went with a warm shade and it was way too yellow. And see, this one's already kind of yellow even though it's a neutral. And I will probably be using this in my full face of first impressions, using like all this makeup after this just to see if it matches and kind of like revisit it and see if I still love it. So I'm really excited to have that back in my collection. And I just really love the packaging of Estee Lauder's foundations. They're so cute. Like, I love the frosted glass. Anything with frosted glass, I love. Okay guys, so that was everything that I got from Ulta and Sephora. Now moving on to Rude Cosmetics. So this is an indie brand, and they actually messaged me on my email account for my business, and they asked me if I would like to try some of their products, and I was super excited because I checked them out on Instagram and I saw a lot of stuff that like really interested me because I'm so into color right now, and a lot of their stuff is like super colorful and super bright. Like obviously you could tell I love me some color, like my new neon nails. Yes. So they sent me a package, and check out this little box. It's so cute. So it says Rude Cosmetics and it says makeup with an attitude. I love their whole aesthetic. It's so cute. So the first thing they sent me was an eyeshadow palette, and this is a part of their lingerie collection. And so it's called Naughty Nights, and it's really, really pretty. As you guys can see, it has a lot of colorful colors in there, which I can't wait to try out. And so the outer packaging is just the same as like the box, and then it does have a mirror in there, and this is the inside. And oh my gosh, look at this, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I can't wait to use it. So I haven't touched this yet at all because I've been wanting to like show it in the haul nice and new, but I am going to be trying it in that full face of first impressions, and I can't wait to use it. It's so pretty. So it's an all matte palette. And ooh, they even have the names on the freaking palette. I love that. So it doesn't come with one of those like cheap plastic things that have the names on it. It's literally imprinted in the packaging, which I love. And so this is like a close-up of the colors. Super duper pretty and colorful. Perfect for spring and summer. So let me go ahead and swatch some of these. Ooh, they look like they're really pigmented. Okay. Look at these colors. Ooh, I can't wait to use it. So those are some of the colors. I can't wait to use that. Oh my gosh. I know I keep saying that, but I just love color. So the next three things they sent me were some glitters, which I have been using these already because I couldn't wait because they are that pretty. So I actually have one of them on my eyes right now. This is what their packaging of them looks like, and this is the one I'm wearing on my eyes right now. It's called Dream and Color, and it's just this really beautiful green shade. And you guys know I don't like to wear green on my eyes that much, but since this has kind of like flecks of yellow in it, I feel like I could get away with it just because my hair is red, and I feel like when I wear green I look like poison ivy. But since this one has like a little bit of like yellow and silver in it, I feel like I could get away with it. And it's super pretty, and they're really pigmented. I have nothing under the glitter right now. I just have concealer and then this on top, and as you guys can see, it has like a base color in there, so it's not completely sheer, because I know some glitters could be like that. And then I also got the color Until Dawn, and this one's super pretty as well. I actually wore this in my previous video, so if you guys want to see what it looks like on, I will have that video in the cards so you could go check that out. Some of you guys commented on that video saying that you guys wanted a makeup tutorial on that look. So I know that you guys kind of like that color, and this one I think is my favorite out of all of them. I haven't tried the last color, which I'm going to show you, because I want to try that one and save it for the video. But guys, look at this one. It's so pretty. I'm really into neons right now, and this is like a neon orange pink shade. It's so gorgeous. And last but not least, we have the color TranceDance, which is this bright, ooh, hold on, I dropped my freaking knife. Oh, okay, got it. It's just an eyebrow thing that I use to open packages. Yeah, I know, I'm weird. Finally, I got it open. Oh my gosh, it literally is the same color as my nails. So that one is TranceDance. And so yeah, I will have their website linked down below just because I thought it was super duper sweet of them to send me some PR, just because you guys know I never get PR. I'm a smaller YouTuber, so I don't get PR yet. So when little companies like this message me and ask me if I want to try something and I like their stuff, I get super excited. And I don't say yes to like every brand that messages me. A lot of smaller brands message me, and if I'm not interested in the product, I will say no, because obviously I don't want to show products on my YouTube channel that I'm not totally in love with. And everything I've tried so far from Rude Cosmetics I've been loving, and I can't wait to try the rest of the products. And so yeah guys, that's gonna be everything for this haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I can know to keep doing hauls. I am trying to do a haul every single week for you guys, just because I know that you guys love them, and so I do a haul every single week on my channel. If you don't know that, you should totally subscribe if you love hauls. And I do make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!